Hi everybody, Dilfidil channel. Today in Swedish newspaper, it was information from CNN. This article about satellite observations show sea levels rising and climate change is accelerating it. This is a very serious.
While the world continues to debate how to handle climate change, the facts are crystal clear. Climate change is real. In fact, 17 of the 18 hottest years on record, that's dating back to 1880, have occurred since 2001. Earth's average surface temperature has risen by nearly 2 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. A 2017 report from the U.S. government's Climate Science Special Report states, quote, "It is extremely likely that human influence has been the dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. As the Earth warms, one of the major concerns is the melting of Earth-based ice. Currently, glaciers are retreating all around the world, and massive ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica are losing mass. From 2002 to 2006, Greenland lost as much as 60 cubic miles of ice. Similarly, Antarctica lost 36 cubic miles from 2002 to 2005. As ice declines and the oceans warm, the higher the seas rise. Since 1900, the global average sea level has risen 7 to 8 inches, the most occurring since 1993. This rate of rise is higher during any preceding century, putting coastal cities at risk. As record high temperature events have been increasing, the number of record low temperature events have been decreasing since 1950. Now, this doesn't mean that we will see fewer winter storms with climate change, but we will see a warmer shift in climate extremes.
So this was the information. They think that the change that observed between 92 and 2014 and all of this is rising sea levels. So they observed a total rise in the ocean of 7 centimeters in 25 years, which aligns with the generally accepted current rate of the sea level rise about 3 millimeters per year. But that rate is not constant. Continuous emissions of greenhouse gases are warming the Earth's atmosphere and oceans and melting its ice, causing the rate of sea level rise to increase. This acceleration, driven mainly by accelerated melting in Greenland and Antarctica, has the potential to double the total sea level rise by 2100 as compared to projections that assume a constant rate to more than 60 centimeters instead of about 30. So Greenland's melting glaciers may someday flood your city. So if you live in the coastal area, you have to think for next generation, for your kids and grandkids to move away from coast area. And you must start thinking now. The clock is ticking. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.